Well, my own research has done a variety of things. I've worked in physics, of course, invented a laser, and I've worked in astronomy, trying to understand stars and the universe and what it's like. I just like to explore. Science is an exploration of what things are like. Now, why they're that way, you see, that's more of a religious question. The two are complementary, and I appreciate both of them. I think they're both very important. So science tries to understand things in great detail, what they are and how they work and so on, and that's very interesting, fascinating. But why? That's still a deeper question, and that's a religious question. Why are they the way they are? Why did it begin? Why is the universe here? And why are we here? And why the laws of science just come out the way they are so we can be here? So those are very deep questions. Well, I think the apparent friction between science and religion is kind of artificial. I see no reason for any real friction between the two, but some people like to make it that way. Some scientists just don't want to believe in religion, so they try to make arguments of why religion can't be there, you see. But I see no reason for that. I think the two are quite consistent with each other. Science describes what things are and how they work. Religion describes why they're here and why they work that way. You see, the two are quite complementary. Einstein once said, the universe couldn't have had a beginning. And then he finally recognized, yes, it did have a beginning after all. It had a beginning. Wow, it got created. Why was the universe created? And why was it created the way it is? It has to be the laws of science have to be almost exactly the way they are for us to be here. Why did it happen to turn out that way? But see, that suggests that somehow there was a plan. There was a plan, there's a design, and that's a religious view. A design of what this world is all about and why it is the way it is. That's the meaning of religion. Science just tries to describe what it is and how it works, but not why. Religion is trying to understand why. Why is it here? And how did it begin? And what is the plan? Why did it turn out the way it is? More integration and interaction between the two, yes, in the future. As we really are more and more minded and deeper in our thinking. Everybody should think very hard about what this is all about. You know, what is it like? And why is it this way? Why is it designed this way? How did it happen to turn out this way? And so on. That's a very deep question. And more we understand that the laws of science have to be almost exactly the way they are for us to be here. There seemed to have been a plan, a design for us to be here. And why and how? Well, that's the question of religion, you see. What's it all about?
You continue to do research even today?
I continue to do research, oh yes. It's good fun. Why stop? Research is great fun.
You keep your mind active?
Well, maybe that's one of the things.